I have an offer for you. I'm so excited. I'll be doing a free training. You heard me right. The link to join the free training is going to be in the description below. It's a Telegram group. Just click on it, go into the Telegram group and stay there, okay? I'm going to announce it very soon. Depending on what time you are watching this, but it's going to happen in 4 days time, okay? The training is going to happen, okay? So if you really want a free training, do not miss out of it, okay? So let's get to my YouTube channel. This is Forex Trading Strategies. Here I get to explain to you how you can trade the boom and crash indices, okay? In times to come, I'm going to create content on Forex like currency pairs and some indices like SP500 and the likes. But right now, this is what I'm creating. If you don't have a boom and crash account, the link to create your account is in the description below, okay? Create your account and you can get started right away, okay? So that being said, let's minimize that, go into the market and let's start our analysis for today. Analysis for today. I have some trade ongoing and they are in red, but it happens, okay? You can't always expect your trade to be in blue, okay? That is not a realistic trading, okay? So let's get to the analysis. This is how I basically do it. I give you the analysis for boom 500, boom 500 and 1000 and 300, okay? Boom 500, crash 500, boom 300 and crash 300, okay? So let's ride along. Let's see the trading opportunities that we have for today. I analyze from Monday to Saturday, okay? I don't do it on Sundays, okay? So let's go to boom 500 right here and go to chart. Let's see what boom 500 is trying to tell us. Okay, this is the 1 day time frame, okay? So in the 1 day time frame, you see that the market has been on uptrend, okay? To go on uptrend, pull back, on uptrend, pull back. Then this is another uptrend, okay? And a pullback is happening already, okay? A pullback is happening. Now, if a pullback happen at this point, come a bit here or lower before pulling back, that's showing us that it's creating a pattern, okay? That's creating a pattern, creating a higher low, okay? Because this pullback right here is lower than this, okay? So this is a higher low, and this right here, okay, we're waiting for another pullback to suppress this, okay? If it goes below this, that is a lower low. That shows that the market is having a reversal already. So let's see in the smaller picture of things. Let's see like in 4 hours and let's see what the market is saying. Okay, you can see in the 4 hour this is a lower low, okay? This is the lower low that formed. All this here is the lower low. It consolidated the wire, then the market start coming down, okay? So probably if the market comes to this area right here, this is this is a support level right here, a resistance level that bounce the market up, okay? Because this is boom, okay? This is another level right here, okay? So there's a lot of resistance level around here, okay? But the main resistance level, okay, the main resistance level is around here, okay? So this is the zone for the resistance level, this zone right here. So if the market reverses back into this zone, they will be looking for a serious correction from that point, okay? If it breaks it, then that is going to be on downtrend. So as things as it stands this way, okay, I will advise you not to rush into this market, okay? Do not rush into this market. Wait for the next 4 hour candle to complete and see the volume, okay? If the volume is good, then you can try to take some trade. If not, then I will advise you to stay away from this market until it plays out or finally, okay? So if you check it in 1 hour time frame, you can see some opportunity to scalp, but then it's not going to be much, okay? Now in the 1 hour time frame, you can see try to consolidate at this area for a bit, but if you are going to enter it in the 1 hour time frame, then you must be prepared to leave the market around this region, okay? Around this region right here, okay? If you enter the market to this region, then I will expect you to leave the market, okay? Because this is a confluence level right here, okay? And it can affect the market, an area of value which is very very notable for making the decision or reversing the market or creating a new trend, okay? Let's go to our next instrument that we'll be talking about. Our next instrument is crash 500, okay? Crash 500, and crash 500 has been crashing, okay? It has been crashing. Now we know the normal movement of the crash is an uptrend, but if you take a look from here down to here, that is a downtrend. Of course, that's a downtrend, okay? It goes down for some time, have some retracement, down retracement, down retracement, okay? So that is a downtrend. That's a downtrend. So if you are going to trade it, then you must have some capital, okay? You must have some good capital with you, else I will not advise you to enter against the trend, okay? The normal movement of the crash is uptrend. Okay, let's see it in 4 hours time frame, and let's see what the market is trying to tell us. Okay, so in the 4 hours time frame, you can see the market has been coming down, okay, for a good time. Okay, look at here, the market has been coming down and it's at this point. Okay, so the next level of support is going to be around this region. Okay, this region right here. So if you draw the support level here, it's going to be here, or the next one is going to be around here. Okay, so if you are looking for some scalping opportunities, you want to trade against the trend, then you have to look for a good entry. Okay, a good entry that shows a continuation pattern. Okay, go in the 1 hour time frame, check a continuation pattern, then you can ride the market all the way to this first point of TP. This is TP1. Okay, like there, if it passes it, then this is our TP2. Okay, this is our TP2 right here. So let's go in the 1 hour time frame and let's see how we can set up our trading for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is our 1 hour time frame. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Sorry. Okay, so you can see this is the pattern that is formed. This is obviously a downtrend. But this is where we expect our first TP. Okay, this is our first TP. So let's zoom into the candle patterns and let's see what candle pattern is forming. Okay, so right here we just have a little pullback here. There's a little pullback here which does not reverse the trend. So if you are watching this right now, you can enter this, okay, for a downtrend. You can enter this with a very small lot size, okay, because you are trading against the normal movement of the crash. Small lot size, the minimal lot size. I think this lowest lot size is 0.2 for 500 indices. Okay, so let's go to 300. Let's go to 300 and let's see what the market wrote for us. Okay, so this is crash 300. This market has gone on a serious uptrend. Let's view it in 1 day time frame, because the market has gone on a serious uptrend. So you can see, and the market has been trying to reverse. Okay, it has been trying to reverse, and I've been trying to sell it. Okay, I've been trying to sell this crash. It's against the normal movement, but I'm trying to sell it. Okay, it has been against me for a while, but I know it's going to retest this up, and the downtrend is imminent. Okay, the downtrend is going to happen. It might consolidate around that area, because around here it's consolidated for a very long time before the downtrend happens. So it's going to be a very lengthy trade. Okay, and I'm going to hold on to it for as long as possible. Okay, I'm going to hold on to it for a very, very long time. So this is what we have in the crash 500. But if you do not have a good capital, do not take that risk. Okay, do not take that risk. So let's go to boom 300. Let's go to boom 300. Okay, so this is boom 300. So boom 300 has been on a serious downtrend too. Okay, from this up all the way to this down. Okay, and this is an area of confluence right here, of course. Okay, this is an area of confluence right here. You can see this is some resistance level forming around here, resistance level before it breaks it. So if our market is consolidating around this area, that is in respect to what happened right here. Okay, this is on consolidation right here. So our market is trying to consolidate around here. So of course, let's go in the 4 hours time frame and let's see the smaller picture of things. Okay, you can see this is some consolidation going on. So you'll be waiting for a breakout. Okay, wait for a breakout before you enter this market. Wait for a breakout. Let's further go down in the time frame, like 1 hour, and let's see. You can see that the market has consolidated for a very long period of time. Okay, with the highest point being here and the lowest point being here. Okay, this market is consolidating. Okay, and for as long as it's consolidates, then the longer it consolidates, the bullish or the clearer the trend is going to be. Okay, when it breaks out, okay, it's going to be massive. So be on the watch out. Okay, be on the watch out. Put on your glasses for these guys. Okay, so be on the watch out, because I'm going to be on the watch out for this as well. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel and also the channel for the training. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.